How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Fishing with me, DYang. Today we are bass fishing. I haven't bass fished in a while, especially pond fishing. I'm not the greatest pond fisherman, but today we're going to figure it out. Today we're going to do some pond bass fishing. I keep saying pond. Anyway, so this video is sponsored by Carl's Bait and Tackle, so check the link down below. That's where I buy all the jigs, the Guggen Squat stuff, all the plastic, all the juicy stuff. If you become a member, you save tons of money. I'm a member myself and I love the discount that I get. Let's go out there, catch some bass, and I don't know how it's gonna go. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys on this beautiful pond. I still have quite a ways to walk there, so I'll see you guys. Stuff right here. Start with the jig. Yeah, guys, the water is crystal clear. Again, I did get this from Carl's Bait and Tackle. Look at that color. Ain't that amazing? Oh, first cast for bass. Jeez. Oh, topwater action over there. Oh, it's shallow. I feel the bottom already. Got him. I got a fish. I got a fish. That's a nice fish. I got a nice fish. Oh, gosh. Oh, dude, what the heck? Right off the juice, baby. Oh, right off the juice. Look at that guy. Oh, dude, that's a nice bass. Chill, chill. That's a healthy bass. Oh, jeez. It's a nice little 2.5 pounder. Wow. Got water all over my thing here. Dude, they smell like crayfish. Look at that thing. Freaking annihilated. That's a nice bass. Wow. What a beautiful fish. Alright. Off you go, buddy. I'm in a little deep there. Holy smoke, the water is warm. Let's try right here. Oh. Got him. It's a little guy. Small guy. It's a little itty bitty. Sheesh, you were in that reef, weren't you? See this little weed line right here? You can see it drop a little bit. See if something comes out and pick this up. Got him. Another guy. Jeez, man. There's tons of these little ones. Woo! On a jig. Feisty. Oh, they have leech in here? That's crazy. See, dude. Now, here's a little trick, okay? If you want to become a better bullet weight fisherman, right? Texas rig, whatever you want to call it, insert the bullet weight with no bobber stopper or anything like that. The hook, okay? Here's the hook. Instead of going from behind, you want to go like that, okay? Hook down through here. And you tie the, I believe this is a snail knot. You guys should look that up. If you guys want me to do a more in-depth video, then just let me know in the comments. But this is a snail knot, I believe. Just wrap it around the hook. All right, 4 or 5 times into the hole. Just pull that, push it all the way back to the eye there, and there you go. Okay, now you're kind of like, well, why does it matter, right? Why does it matter that I tied it this way? If you look here, this is what you want, okay? See the bullet weight? When you set the hook goes forward, okay? It bends forward, it sticks out. It doesn't go backward like that. You want it to go forward, just like that. So here's the bullet weight again. You pull it and it goes up. Just like that. That's how you want to hook a fish. That way your hook set ratio is a lot better and bring the fish in. Just like that, boom. So that's my little tip for you guys, especially for pond fishermen or boat fishermen. If you guys didn't know that, tie this knot, do it correctly, and you'll catch more fish that way. So let's get back in the water. Got him. It's a little guy. Jeez, way out there. It's a small dude too. My goodness. Ugh, look how deep you are. Freaking big old head and small body. Just like that, boys. Alright. What's up? Yeah. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good?
Joe.
Joe? David.
Topwater too.
Oh, there he is. That's a nice fish. There he is. That's a big one. Oh, jeez. That's a big one. Ugh. Sheesh. There they are. Felt big. He was in the weeds. Oh. There you go. Spawned out. Yeah, he spawned out. Nice little bass. Oh yeah, they're blowing up over there. Yeah, might have to run over there. I thought, oh, got him. That's a nice fish. Yeah. Hey, here we go. Yeah, they're moving in. There you go, buddy. They're all spawned out. Sheesh. Nice fish. So skinny. Sorry, they'll get bigger soon. There we go, that's a nice fish.
Whoa! That's a big ice. That one is good.
That's a nice fish. Oh,
That must be huge!
it's decent. It's okay. Oh yeah, it's a fighter.
And he's
Woo!
up.
Look at that. That's a big one. Yep, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Sheesh. Skinny. Spawned out.
Go back right
That's a fish right there. Alright guys. Finally caught one. That is decent for today. Spawned out. It's a pretty good fish. Oh, there you go, boys. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Awesome.
Whoa, dude.
I think this guy wants to be on YouTube.
Yeah, there you go. I mean, it's recording, so.
Yeah, so you get to be on YouTube, dude.
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
We'll look out for your
that's
video,
cool.
huh?
Yeah. There you go.
And look at it when you see us.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put down the plastics. That was a good little run there. And I'm gonna go straight top water action, guys. It's getting late. I got my Guggen frogs on here. Boom, right there, baby. Guggen frogs. Again, Carl's bait and tackle. It's about to go down. Oh, something's right behind it. Oh, something waked right behind my frog. Got him! That's a big one. That's a big bass. That's a big bass. Dude, this thing's huge. Oh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. There we go. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Got a big one on a Guggen frog. Oh my gosh, I knew it. Last minute clutch, guys. That's a nice fish. That's a freaking big fish. I'm gonna weigh it real quick. We got 0. We got 3.5, guys. 3.6, 3.5, right? Off it goes. Nice.